Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and connecting the controller. Plug in USB-C now if you want the fastest, simplest route. Once done, open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox accessories app so firmware updates and button mapping are available. If you prefer wireless, turn on Bluetooth on your PC and keep the controller charged. You need Windows 10 or 11 and a compatible adapter. Make sure a USB port or Bluetooth pairing is ready before moving to device setup, because that avoids interruptions. Now you handle pairing and drivers. If wired, plug in via USB-C and wait for Windows to install drivers automatically. Watch for the device ready notification. For Bluetooth, press and hold the pair button on the controller until the Xbox button flashes, then open Windows Settings Bluetooth and Devices Add Device to complete pairing. If using the Xbox wireless adapter, plug it in, press its pairing button, then press the controller pair button. Make sure interference is minimal for a reliable link. Finish by configuring and verifying controls. Open the Xbox Accessories app to update firmware and create or save custom profiles, because firmware fixes performance and mapping improves gameplay. Once done, test inputs in Windows game controllers or through Steam Big Picture to confirm stick and trigger responses. If something goes wrong, repair the controller, try a different USB-C cable or port, reboot your PC, and check Windows Update for driver patches. These steps solve most connectivity and calibration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.